Hello! In this video, we're going to talk about two important skills that will help you read quickly, skimming and scanning. First, let's discuss skimming. Skimming is reading quickly for the main idea. Remember, the main idea is the general, overall message of a text. If our purpose is only to find the main idea quickly, then we don't need to read the whole text. In fact, if we read just a few sections, we should be able to learn the main idea. When we skim, we're going to read only the title, first paragraph, first sentences of other paragraphs, and sometimes the last paragraph. We'll start at the top of the text with the title. The title should tell us most of what we want to know about the main idea. Let's look at an example. Here, the title is Santiago and Nairobi emerge as hotspots for businesses doing good. So we know that this text is about two cities and the new businesses that do good things. After the title, we should pay attention to the first one or two paragraphs. In most media messages, we can find a sentence here that tells us about the main idea. In the first paragraph, we see this phrase, Santiago and Nairobi are emerging as hotspots for business leaders seeking to drive social change. This is similar to what we saw in the title. For the rest of the text, let's look just at the first sentence in each paragraph. Writers often introduce the main idea of each paragraph in the first sentence. With this strategy, we see the phrase, East Africa is one of the global centers of impact investing. So we know that this area is important for impact investing, which is another way to say spending money to help society. In other paragraphs, we see phrases such as access to finance remains the major challenge, and in Chile, social entrepreneurs also found it hard to access investment, but did receive support from the government. In several paragraphs, we've seen information about places, East Africa and Chile, and money, investing, finance, and support. All of the information from skimming the title, first paragraph, and first sentences of other paragraphs tells us that the main idea of this text is about making businesses in these two cities. Now, we'll talk about scanning. Scanning is also about reading quickly, but the purpose of scanning is different. Scanning is reading quickly to find some specific information. The first step in scanning is to think about the information we want. For example, if we want to find information about a person or place, we might look for words that start with big letters, like Ellen Johnson Sirleaf or Monrovia. If we want to find out when something happened or how many of something there were, we might look for numbers such as 2015 or $100. Numbers and words with big letters are easy to find quickly, so we just look for those instead of reading all the sentences in the text. In addition, we'll want to think about where in the text we might find what we're looking for. Subheadings or pictures can help us know where to look. In our example text, if we want to find information about a specific organization in Santiago, we can look under the subheading Government Support in Chile for words that start with big letters. To summarize, skimming and scanning are skills that can help you read quickly. We use skimming to find the main idea and scanning to look for specific information. Next, you'll play a game about skimming and scanning.